Hi friends, how are you? Today we will make a very easy logo in Illustrator. Even a beginner can use these tricks. First create a circle, copy and paste on same place. Now we have a two circle and snap it very carefully with center of one circle. Align it. Now select both. Use transparency. We are going to make a rectangle. Snap with center point of each circle. Now draw a rectangle. Click on center point of each circle. We have created our perfect triangle. Resize it. Copy and paste. Change the color. Reduce the size. Snap here. Copy and paste again. Snap here. Sorry, we have drag our wrong circle rectangle here. Okay, flip it, drag here. Again copy and paste. Drag here. Now draw a shape. When you are drawing the shape, must snap the nodes. Change the color. Draw a shape here. Change the color. Now again make a shape here. Change the color. Now delete the blue rectangle. Drag this node here, modify this shape. When you are dragging the nodes, must select only one node carefully. Select only this node and drag here. Now change the color. Select this shape, change the color. Select this one, copy and paste on place. Select with this, click on minus front. Now select only this shape, go to object and bring to front. Arrange, bring to front. Now we have created our logo. This is the complete shape. Now we are going to change the color. Select only these two shapes, change the color. Now select the back object, change the darker color. Change the color. Now select these two, change the color, change the color. Select only this shape, drag on dark side. Okay. Now we have to select only these two shape. Is the yellow color. You can choose any color according to your need. Now select only this shape, drag on dark side. Thanks for watching my tutorials. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.